Hey, what's going on? What's up, guys? Kernal. V. Vesuvius. Vesuvius. I can't say that. How's it going? You're first. Skog, what's happening? Thanks, Skog. Appreciate your support, man. I passed 3 today. 3 Beelanox accounts. Mo, trampoline. Wish you would have thrown a... Oh, yeah, 5 lots. I know, for sure. For sure. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Wild day. Settle for 2 micros? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it was kind of crazy. A little pump this morning, never looked back. Let's see here. How's it going, Mo? Good to see you, Mo. Got a small payout today. Take profit trader. Not net profitable day. I did reset the account, so but hopefully tomorrow I can get another daily payout, keep it rolling. I need to make 1200. Help me. Sorry, man. Sorry to hear that, Kunal. Yeah, it's easy to try to fade this move. You know? It really is. But yeah, the pump. These slow grind days up are not really slow, but these trend days can be killers. I struggle with these same days sometimes. I mean, I should have capitalized even more. I mean, I'm not upset. I mean, I made 1600 and or whatever it was. Oh, my calculator here. It's not it. This just ain't right, Mo. No. You lost 6K first year 18, pretty depressing. Yeah, can be. Definitely can be. Let's see. We got the market opening up here in about 15 minutes. Thought I'd just hop on early, hang out with you guys for a bit. I just have 2 screens on the computer, and then I have you guys on my phone for the chat. So I got you guys right here on the chat. Dubs Trader, what's going on? Trampolines and whipped cream today. I put you guys on all messages instead of top messages. Sometimes I miss some of the stuff. Past 5 TPT 50Ks today on day 5, Corey. Holy cow, nice, man. 5. I wish I had 5 take profit traders. For sure. Do I look at COB or CVD? I do not. Intraday got me once I went to pro account. Wish it wasn't 650 to reset. Yeah, I know. That's the worst part about intraday with take profit trader. I mean, but to be honest with you, I mean, they really have to do it to protect the firm because their payout policy is one of the best in the biz. And if there was end of day, man, some of us sharks would go and take them for a ride. I know we would, and they wouldn't be able to last. I know some traders in the chat would just crush them if it was end of day. Nice, Alan. That's how you do it, man. Yeah, just stay under that 50% consistency. Yeah, trailing drawdown's tough for sure. Should you try Apex or just keep on with take profit? Well, it's pretty much the same thing with the intraday trailing once you're on the pro. So, what I like about Apex is having multiple accounts. You know, you can have like over 5 accounts, 10 accounts, but take profit trader is probably my favorite prop firm. I didn't bank too much, Monica. I'm up. What am I getting? Like a $220 payout, so not too bad. I passed 3 Belanox accounts. I'm waiting on this payout here in this account. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on. How's it going, Monica? How'd you do today? The unrealized, that sucks. Don't chop down the given tree for sure. Daryl, what's going on? D-Rel, good evening. Beanstalk, does Take Profit Trader have a platform like Top Step to do challenges, or do you need to have a platform like TradingView? So I use Tradeovate, Take Profit Trader, but you can use Rhythmic. I'll show you right here. You can use all these different ones. Down here, Sierra charts, all that stuff, Jigsaw, whatever. But these are the top ones that most people use: Tradeovate, TradingView, and NinjaTrader. If you use RTrader, then you can use you can use Quantower. I used to use Quantower a lot. But yeah, no X platforms like Belanox. What's the payout structure? So 3,600 in 10 days. You can take out 1,000. 40% consistency rule, right? Yeah. And then anything over that, you can take off up to 1,500 on a 50K account for Belanox. Yeah, there's a monthly fee for the test accounts. So right now, Beanstalk, it's $119, but no activation fee if you pass the account. So it's an all-in $119 a month, but I mean, I don't know. Most people don't get billed monthly. They either blow it or pass it. So. But if you're a new trader, then Bullenox right now is $15 a month. $15 and change if you use code PINE. So, Newt McBoots in the house. Turtle. What's going on, buddy? Have I ever tried a toss? No. But Tradeovate's great for mobile and things like that, so that's why I use Tradeovate. I recommend Volsace for chart pain. What's up, Fred? Good to see you. Amelia, how's it going? Change something here. His Royal Trades, what's going on? What's happening? It's good to hang on to the TPT because if you blow it, resets are cheaper right now. The resets still support. Oh, cool, man. Still support Pine. Starting my third FXA. Oh, XFA with Top Step, new to prop trading. I've only used Top Step. Yeah, Top Step's great. Beanstalk for sure. No, I've never traded on a tablet, Amelia. No, I really suck at trading on mobile, like on the phone or tablets or anything like that. I'm horrible at it. Dean Bishop, what's happening? All right, I got 5 minutes before the market is open. Maybe we'll get some action, maybe not. I passed 3 Bullenox accounts today. That'll give me 4. This one I'm waiting on the payout. And I picked up another $15 eval. The nice thing about Bullenox is that you can bank them and you don't have to pay the activation fee until you want to activate them. So if you have 1, or if you have say 3 going on Bullenox and you want to bank some more past evals, they can just kind of sit there and you don't get paid, you don't get billed monthly, and you don't have to pay the activation fee right off. Kid Poker, how's it going? Walk to you, what's going on? Why'd you let some folks take all my profits at 4:30? That's happened to me too, Walk to you, man. I have had such a good day. I had such good days going on and then give it all back right at market close. Like, I've done that. You know, I've given the all back profits, just very similar to something like this. You know, I'm giving it back or just doing dumb stuff right before the market close. It's very important to lock it up. Kid Poker, NQ up over 1,000 points the last 2 days. Crazy, isn't it? We going all-time highs pretty soon, kid. Market only goes up. Busted a few PAs with Trade-Evade app in my pocket. True story. Oh, for sure, Fred. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even look at it on my phone anymore. I know some people can, but some can't. Yeah, Annabelle. I'll just follow your signals tonight. I'll count on you to pass my 20 Apex challenges. I do not recommend that. Annabelle. Do not follow my trades. And personally, not financial advice, but if I'm trying to pass some evals quickly, it's going to be during New York Open. Not so much during the Globex Open. Globex Open, I usually like to get a nice head start. Occasionally, if the market's moving really nice, we can pass accounts. We've done it before on stream. One shots, things like that during the market opens, but yeah. It's funny. Keegan, Trev, what's going on? I ran with Chad to get some turkey chili because we are hungry. Trav's making jokes. Trav's making jokes, I mean. Marco. Alfred in the house. Inside 0 Day J joke. You mean 0 Day Jason? Raylan. Alright, Raylan. What's going on, man? Welcome. Yeah, we'll give it a shot tonight for a few hours. I try, Annabelle. I have really bad nights. Really good nights. Really good days, really good bad days. I'm still trying to find my consistency. But thank you, I appreciate it. I try my best. KD. Alright, dudes, have fun. Go discing. I want to teach you a lesson. Yes. My name is Pine Tree Jason. My back is still killing me. But tomorrow I'm going to get to the gym and hopefully get some stretching in. Probably get some stretching in tonight too. Alright, market's going to open up here in any minute. Whoops. Alright, gonna sling around this $15 eval. I did pass 3 of them today. Currently funded accounts is Top Step, Bulanox, and Take Profit Trader as far as funded accounts. Yeah.
The market is open.
Market is open, guys. Alright, kind of pushing down a little bit. No real gap. Anna, how's it going? Long time no see. What's up, what's up? CT Trading. Design. That huge 300-point gap never got filled, did it? No, it did not. No, it did not. We have monster gaps down below. If you look at the hourly here, you can see it right down here. 376 to 149. 20,376 to 20,149 is the monster gap. Wide open, kid poker, wide open. Lost 1,000 today on an eval. Ah, that sucks, Anna. That's okay. I'm doing okay, Anna. Thank you for asking. Doing okay. day to day. I'm just gonna short. Design says. Just make sure you're DCA in. Nice, Alfred. Oh, Thrive is open, huh? Did you guys see the warning by Tradeify today for affiliates? If you're on X. I don't promote any company that hasn't been established for a while. I try not to. So if you guys want to try them, that's fine, but to me, I'm sticking with like the 6 for now. Tradeify doesn't, if they they'll say you drop you as an affiliate if you promote a company that goes belly up. Which, you know, it is what it is, but I mean, for one, you know, looks like they got rid of the tweet. Never mind, they got rid of it. Dr. Phil in the house. But yeah, June, Thrive. 7. If you do buy accounts with new props, get your money and get out, yeah, for sure. I would definitely wouldn't try to build up like big live accounts myself. Like I wouldn't do that like with any new companies. Like with Fast Track Trader, as soon as I was eligible for a payout, I took it immediately. I miss Fast Track Trader. They were the best. They really were. No rules practically on their funded accounts. Like they were cheap. Man, I could have like made a ton of money if they would have stayed alive. I wonder if Joom has the Daytona account. That's funny. Yeah, waiting 2 months for a payout is the best. Yeah, sorry, Alfred. I know Alfred was crushing them too. I don't know if you noticed, Alfred. I'm sure you did. Like when Fast Track Trader, with their accounts, they were static, and no one knew that they were static. The trail never moved. So the end of the day, it never moved, and you get a payout, and it still stayed static. It never moved. It was crazy. Wood chip, what's going on? I probably did, yeah, Katie Lay. I can't remember what I had. I ended up having like 10 accounts, I think. The 25Ks too. Amelia noticed. And I was actually it was crazy, Amelia. I was watching it live on the Discord because going in their Discord was quite entertaining. And some guy was going, hey, I just want to let you guys know that my trailing drawdown is not moving. Something's wrong. I literally was watching it. I go, oh my God, this guy's an idiot. Shut up. Like, who is this guy? Yeah, it was funny. Wood chips in the house. Peter, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support, man. Yeah, you 150K at 171 balance, but couldn't get any more than one payout. Ah, Jesus, man. There's always one dummy in the Discord. Yeah, for sure. Amelia remembers that. Treetop, good afternoon, good afternoon. We had a beautiful day, weather-wise. I went to lunch at a place called Monty's Fine Foods in Portland, Maine. It was delicious. Place is awesome. You can make an account called Oak Tree, Treetop, Pine Tree. Probably was Joom design. Yeah, I remember Joom got on. No, Monty's is not a chain. It's a Roma style pizzeria. So good. Little grocery store. Right here, you can see it. Barstool did a review on it. So good. Delicious. Till about 8 p.m. Eastern time, Alan. I'll be on for a few hours. Yeah, up in Maine. Design. There was an idiot on TopStat Discord before that snitched on one of the old promo codes, letting people get more than one reset. I know, Alfred. Little teacher's pets. I'm gonna keep this take profit thing over here. I'm gonna have the gold pulled up on the other screen just to watch it. All right, market is not moving right now. Not moving. Could be a slow start. That's right. Like John said. Excuse me, teacher, if you got to give us homework. Yeah, exactly, Trev. This is exactly what it was. All right, do we have any news tonight whatsoever? Is Trump speaking, scheduled to speak? All right, Trump already spoke today, so I guess that's not going to happen. This might be just a good hang tonight. I don't know. If the market doesn't move, it doesn't move. Can't do anything about it. What do we got tomorrow? Some Fed speakers. Nothing significant. Thursday, core PPI, retail sales, unemployment. Quite a bit of news on Thursday. Yeah, I put money on Coach Dakota being a teacher's pet back in the day. I'd be willing to bet, yeah, his royal trades, yes, for sure. The Mr. Anti-Simfluencer when he is a Simfluencer. Thursday, Powell and PPI, yeah, Amelia. Expecting the market to go down, maybe. I mean, it feels like it, Monica, but man, it is strong, the market. Hopefully gold moves or something. Maybe we'll trade something else. Something else moves. Maybe we'll trade some Bitcoin. We did put in an inside bar. I think I might take it. I might take the break. I'm not expecting much, though. 63. Ooh, you know what? I gotta set my Uh-oh. I had that set for a flip. $15 take profit. I almost forgot. So I might take a break at this inside bar. You can see it here on the trade of 8. I'm not really expecting much, but if we might be able to get about 10 points maybe. Hopefully. A little scalp. We'll see. Yeah, Fred, I passed the 3 Buellnox accounts on the CPI. Oh, they're gone. I did pass 3 of them. And I did it with YM. That's a little trick that I do. So when we have big news events like CPI, a non-farm or something like that, the big ones, FOMCs, I'll use YM to full send, not NQ. NQ can just be very whippy, and YM was much cleaner. So I did full send 3 Buellnox accounts on YM on the push.
Order filled.
Ooh, guess we're long. Gonna look for a scalp here. Just looking for 10 points. Boy, that was a nice little push up there. Looking for a 273.75. $200 contracts is 75. Do we have some spoofing going on tonight? Maybe. Check out Alex TWB. Yeah, you're right. There is a big lot sitting up at 275, so which could be good for us. Starts to chase that. Thank you for that, Dubs. That is the only large lot sitting on the order books. I mean, the book looks pretty thin, so. We need those guys back that was slinging around the 400 lots the other night. Is that all you're gonna give me? Like 7 points? 6, 7 points? All right, 268 now. Looking to break that 270. No, it's all invested, Coach Fred. I got it all invested in JetQ. Nice, Brian. Let me put a sim order in 900 execute. Yeah, I know. Do you guys ever feel like that design sometimes? Like if you guys used to trade in a personal account, like you'll hit the button like thinking like you're gonna actually move the market even though you're on a sim account. Like these sim, even when you're funded, like you feel like, oh, if I just buy more here, that you're gonna move the market. But yeah. Went over and visited my grandparents today for just a little bit. Went and picked up some food for them. They're 85 and 87. Not getting around too good anymore, unfortunately. But still kicking. Oh, Fred, how loud is the TV set? I made him shut it off. Like, it is so loud. You have to scream. And they're just sitting around watching Judge Judy and Court TV and all that stuff. It doesn't look fun, to be honest with you. It really doesn't look fun. Living the dream. That's what we get to look forward to in retirement. I'm under the delusion that any order I will ever place in my life will ever move any market. Yeah. Brian, it sucks getting old. I can vouch for that. Yeah. For sure, man. But hey, they're in good spirits, I think. I think they are. Yeah, that's the nice thing of his Royal Trades is that you can do this for a long time as long as you still have your mind. They still have their marbles, which is an awesome thing. Getting tilted at 85, blowing prop accounts. Oh, is this guy a bot? Is this the guy? Oh, Michael Anthony was in 0 Day J's Discord. Discord channel 2. I think it's a bot. I like to hang my name once in a while my grandparents have to keep them on their toes. All right, so we're in this trade here. The market's really not moving yet, but basically taking this trade off this inside bar to break. I'm looking for 10 points. The initial push was pretty good, but No, Michael, I didn't. The market, yes, very 99 years old. Yes, it's moving like my grandparents. Yeah, unfortunately, my grandmother hurt her back, and so it's she's having a tough time getting around. I feel bad because I hurt my back too, so. But I'm not 87 with a hurt back, or 85. Man. Looks like we might have got kicked in the tick there. Missed it by 3 ticks there. I'm just gonna hold for now. I mean, we're still pushing up. Crypto's on a tear, 7? Yeah, that's what I heard. Everyone's been talking about crypto and the meme coins and things. I heard Cove talking about it earlier. He said his brother was blowing his phone up. Apparently, I guess his brother's big into crypto, which is kind of funny. Still have a 200 in a lot sitting at 275. You can see it right here. $275. Short this and go long gold. What is gold doing? Long and gold does look good design. Kind of breaking out of that channel. Trying to break out of that channel. Right there. Looking pretty good. Could possibly putting in another inside bar here on the NASDAQ. Moving the stop up just below that, so pretty much break even, risking 25 bucks now. Either want it to go or not. I'd love to see it break this inside bar that it's making to the upside, but and it looks like we just got kicked in a tick. We missed it by 3 ticks, so I'd take profit. It's a little unlucky there, but we'll see what happens. There we go. Let's break that inside bar there. We'll get some continuation. There we go. So we broke that inside bar. Hopefully that means we'll break the tops there. Get that 275 sitting there, that 200 lot. Alright, stops at break even now. Just do it. Get up there. That's a little 0-day Jason. Get up there. Would I buy one of the Tesla Optimus robots? No.
Order filled.
Damn it. Missed to take profit by 3 ticks there. A little frustrating. Oh well, we'll look for the next trade. this trade is still valid too. I probably shouldn't have just moved. I probably shouldn't have moved my stop at all. Just left it. Would I buy? Nah, yeah. I won't want to do my dishes and laundry for me and let my wife rest. That would be cool. Yeah, the taxi looks pretty cool. Seen the Matrix? Yeah, iRobot too. Seen that movie, iRobot? Yeah, it's not moving at all. It's just going sideways, Monica. Yeah, here they do all kinds of plumbing. Mead 906, what's going on? Yeah, market's not really moving at all. Let's take a look at gold here. Oof, gold is sideways as well. This could get real frustrating till we get an actual good sized candle move. Yeah, market, people, A-team, you know, people think that market can't go any higher, and guess what, it always does. Market always can go higher, or can always go lower. Even on a 4% pump day or something like that, or a drop day. It's a supermarket mentality. Kind of wishing I would have just stayed in this long here. Moved the stop, kept the stop where it was instead of moving it up. But Jonathan Trades, what's going on, man? Hey, dude, if you're ever down in Portland, check out Monty's Fine Foods. It's delicious, man. Pizza, so good. I'm in heavy in UCO. Yeah, Monty's. Montes. Monty's. It's delicious, man. God, I still want to be in this long here. Having FOMO. Might just go to the gym and sit this session out. Me, yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you for one bit. We had a big move today. CPI, everything like that. You know? Po' Boys and Pickles, check them out. I will. I will. Yeah, we had a better day today. A-team, for sure. We had a better day. Got a little take profit payout coming. Not much. 220 bucks, but we'll take it. Yeah, for sure, A-team. Yep. All right, getting a little pullback here. Testing the VWAP.
Order filled.
I'm in the long again. On his eval, this $15 Bulox eval, 91% off. I did pass 3 of them today on CPI. I did full send them. Testing that VWAP there. See if we can gather enough volume to come out and take out that's 275. I wondering what that noise was. My dishwasher is singing to me. Plays a little tune when the dishes are done. We need to have a babysitter nurse come in and get down there. Probably one. Bob's Pizza for a quick in and out. Summer storms in Florida, yeah. Oh, you guys are talking amongst each other. I'm third wheeling your guys' conversation. All right, let's get it. My dishwasher sings to me, and she also cooks. Nice, Trev. And it's not the Tesla robot. Quite a bit today. Still have the fun is never give up, right? Yeah, at Triple M for sure, man. Can't give up. You gotta be stubborn about this stuff. Just try to keep your expenses as low as possible. You know, that's the key. You gotta have a limit. Hello, market. The little market looked like the screen was frozen. Love third. The more the better. Alright, I got a pretty tight stop here. We'll see. Looks like we might get stopped out. God, the market is just painful. Dangerously close to getting stopped out here. Maybe we'll get lucky. Missed my take profit by 3 ticks. Maybe we'll miss our stop loss. No, I don't use TradingView at all. Nope. Never misses a stop, no. Only take profits and misses. That is a fact, Rayu. That is a fact. It's rigged. Call the SEC. I'll have Nutty call the SEC for us. You guys do remember the Nutty Bar call the calling the SEC clip, right? I know Design and John and Amelia probably remember. Everyone's looking for long and gold. Yeah, it's trying to break out of this little channel in gold. Boy, it's not really moving at all either. Setting up to be a pretty boring night. Yeah, they're keeping it. Yeah, right. I was kind of hoping we'd build up some volume here down at the VWAP to push up to that 275. Kellyanne's been MIA. Sabak. It's not good. Hope everything's all right with Kellyanne. I do not have any problems with Kellyanne. She lets me promote on her Discord when I was a new streamer, so pretty awesome. Triple M, I told the 0 day that I blew up an Apex eval and had 50,400 on the account. Yes, you should not go full port like that. I laughed. Yeah. What are you doing full porting? 0 day never does that. Dude's awesome. Makes me laugh all the time. So many of my subscribers came from over there. That is funny. But yeah, it's just crazy that he's been getting botted. You know, it's crazy. Nope, never traded Bitcoin. $15-minute Harami. I was looking at gold Haramis. I think we're gonna get stopped out on this now. Unfortunately, missed our take profit by 3 ticks here on that first trade, and then I ended up hopping in again. A little FOMO trade, but yeah, we would have got stopped out anyway. Probably saved myself $100. Trev, I was looking at the earlier, the daily on gold. I don't know how I would trade it, but look at the Haramis, like especially the reversal ones, like they play really well. So like the reversal Harami here, reversal one here. Yeah, I mean, you'd have to be super patient. And Jonathan trades, that's how I learned about Harami. It's right there in the chat. He's the legend that told me about the Harami candles. I actually didn't know what they were called. I was just trading that pattern and looking for that pattern. And he's the one that told me what they were called. TCG, what's going on? Fort Lauderdale in June, that's going to be rough. Yeah, I would bet. John King. Hey, appreciate the support, man. 91% off Bulanox right now. We're getting a little lucky on this trade so far. Real lucky. Guess the stop's in a good place. You tried the platform today? Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. This is Project X by Bulanox. It's the same thing as Top Step X. If you guys are new to and you're used to Top Step X, it's not exclusive to Top Step. This is the Project X. Same makers, and this is the Bulanox version. It has all the same things. Copy trading. Set your risk settings. You can lock it out for the day. Set lockouts. It's got charts, you know, change all that. with the trader hub. Trade it mobile. Technical pattern once completed is called the evening morning star. The rhyme is the second candle in the pattern and just easier to say. Oh, cool, Trev. Took the kid to Disney World in August a few years back. That was one of my stupider moves. Holy cow. Disney World in August? Yeah. I bet you the tickets are pretty cheap. Trying to test the 250s, Monica? Yeah. He's got that big order sitting up there at 275. And yeah, it's kind of holding that market down, like someone was saying. A 200 lot sitting up at 275. Yeah, Florida in August. Brutal. 144 people in here watching, guys. Appreciate it. Go ahead and smash the like button for me. Just a little reminder. I know it's annoying, but helps me out. It's the easiest way to help me out besides being here. Smashing that like button. I had to take 2 showers after the Diddy trial today and seen it all. Oh, really? The Puff Daddy or Diddy trial is going on. 98 degrees, 98% of humidity. No thanks. The Mulinox business model is amazing. 90% repeatedly and still no problem paying out the minority who succeed. Yes, Fred. So I submitted a payout with Mulinox today, actually. So we'll see how that goes. $1,500. I did okay, John. Little redemption, I guess. Past 3 Mulinox. Got a $20 payout from Take Profit Trader coming. Daily payout. Submitted a Mulinox payout for $1,500. Hit daily loss limit on my Top Step account. Oh well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Butters McStud. Hope you've been well. Just passed my Top Step 50K this week. Watching you. Love the tunes. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Butters. Appreciate it. Wood chip's long. All right, wood chip. Let's get this pump. I like where my stop is now. It is what it is. We got a little bit lucky. See if we can get our take profit now. Was in Vegas last August. It was 118 and it was nowhere near as bad as August in Florida. The humidity is overwhelming. Yeah. When the humidity just kills me. I don't like the humidity. Some people love it. I do not. It's kind of like Maine can get pretty humid too. I mean, for Maine. I'm not even going to mention the heat in Maine, all right? Sorry. I'm not even going to mention it. There is no heat in Maine. Guys, I still have my heater going. My heater is going on downstairs right now. I can hear it running. My actual heater. Butters, I'm long and short. 221, 275. Good luck. Yeah, exactly, Jonathan. Yeah. Exactly, buddy. That's why 7. I'm not gonna mention any heat in Maine. So we don't have any heat. Literally, if it's over 90 degrees, it makes the news. Like, people start freaking out. Today was such a nice day. It was about 70s and sunny, like perfect. I ate lunch outside. It was great. Going through a day without hitting DLL, blowing eval, or funded is rare. Yeah. I know, Fred. Lately, yeah. No patience. For sure. All right, 266 here. We got a little lucky on there on that. Missed our stop there by oh, a tick. Very nice. See if we can get some continuation now, or we just stay here and chop. '72 in solid rain, great state of New Jersey today. Hopefully that rain's not coming up my way. Well, sorry, the market is completely dead. It's not my fault. It is completely dead right now. Gold looks like it's trying to break out there. That's a pretty nice little gold long if you took it off a little break out of that channel, but it's not easy though. Definitely not easy. What other markets can we look at? Look at the yen. Nah. What about the Nikkei? No. Take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing down. Stenix Gaming request my first payout tonight from Take Profit Trading 6K up. I'm guessing you have to be out of everything and not trading when you request from them. Yeah, I would say be flat, Stenix. Get that payout, bro. Get that payout, man. Congratulations. What is MBT? Bitcoin. Micro Bitcoin. Right here. It's the micro Bitcoin. BTC is the mini. But congratulations, man. That's awesome. Yeah, just be patient, Stenix. Just be patient, bro. Not financial advice, but shut it down, work on something else, get that money, let them take it out of the account. No, yeah. Get that, put that money in your wallet. Congratulations, man. No, it shouldn't. You should be fine, Stenix. But yeah, just wait till I'm waiting for my dashboard to update as well. I got a baby payout coming, but I'm not gonna trade that account until I get the payout. But yeah, no, you should be fine. But yeah, man. Congratulations, man. Great payout. Sounds good. Saw me pop up on the BDH stream. You like my little marketing gimmick? Stenix. 3,500 people watching. I saw Trades by Slade on there. So I gave him a little shout out in the super chat. Said Trades by Slade has the best hair on the prop streets. Plus, Trades by Slade is as a subscriber to us. He's a fan. He's usually listening. Might not be tonight, but he's usually listening, hanging out. But yeah, good for him. It's gonna be good for his channel going on that stream. Yeah, usually it updates Stenix, usually around 10, 11 o'clock at night, Eastern time for me, the dashboard. It updates pretty late, to be honest. And then when you request, the time I wake up tomorrow morning, the money will be taken out, so. Usually. Not all the time, but usually. So that way I can trade the market open. Yeah, it's just choppy right now, Monica. It's really just... I feel like this is just... Like, I shouldn't even be in a trade, really. This is one of those things where you just go grab a beer and throw some burgers on the grill and call it. And wait for some sort of boner candle or something to get things moving, because we are just kind of just chopping the VWAP right now. Beer and burgers playing, yeah, 7 for sure. Yeah, you can see on Tradeovate too with the CE VWAP, we're just sitting around that VWAP too. Just sitting there. Bitcoin might be the play. Maybe I'll start watching some Bitcoin here. Start here, Bitcoin. Alright, we'll start it. Check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pushing down. I've never traded Bitcoin. Doesn't look like it's really moving either. Market might not move till Tokyo Open, 8 o'clock. So, taking a look at the see. Where is the... I'm checking out the Thrive trading group. The Thrive, I'm just looking at it. This is that prop firm, that Joom. You guys remember Joom? Joom here. Hey, Joom here. I'm just checking it out here. Trump speaks at 9 p.m. Well, I'll be in bed. 8 Central. Did I get stopped out on that? No. Still long. So they have a swing account too. I am not recommending this prop firm or anything, guys. I'm just looking at it. It's brand new. All right, 50K profit target, 300. End of day, 2,000. That's fine. 1,200 daily loss limit. That's very much like like my funded futures. Max payout 2250. That's pretty good. You long one micro Bitcoin. Good luck, Triple M. Jack Boom. Yeah, the market sucks right now, flat out. Max gross payout 2250. Max payout 1,500. Wow, expensive. Oh, that's a swing account. Okay. Here's the regular end of day accounts. Yeah, okay, yeah, Amelia, that's a good point. One mini contract on the swing account. So 10 trading days, 150. I mean, I don't see anything that's great. Earn an extra 50% bonus on every payout up to 30K. Once you reach 30K, you unlock your big move. Move to a real live account or cash out, your choice. Start with 30K in capital, prove your skills, and Thrive will increase your funding every 6 months. Hit your targets and scale up. 100K after 6 months, 250K after 12 months, 50K after 18 months, 1 million after 24 months. Huh, we'll see. Oh boy, the market is choppy. Market is choppy. Yeah, I'm not liking it either, Sean. Not yet. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure they'll have like a 90% off or something like that or whatever. But I'm not gonna Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Top Step, Bealonox, Apex, you know, Tradeify. I'm not gonna. There's no sense. Amazing. The I in Thrive is an up arrow genius. Someone got paid a lot of money to design that design. Let's see the first affiliate whore. I am an affiliate whore too, so I'm not gonna say anything bad. Let's see which first affiliate whore is gonna promote them. I'm just joking. Gold's moving. All right, let's check out gold. Gold is moving. Thank you for that. Check out gold. Gold finally broke out. That was a nice long. Broke out of that channel. Trades by Slade style. It is pushing higher. Then you get a meet and greet with Joom. Joom here. I like Joom. What's funny, joined top Fast Track Trader as an employee in the Discord, and then he quit like in 3 days. He knew somewhere, right? Click on Get Now. The payment processing is something I've never heard of. Full tilt. Yeah, okay, yeah, like 2 weeks. Yeah, he was like, I'm out of here. Thrive Trading. The payment is processed via PayTico.
Order filled.
Alright, we stopped out on that finally. Jeez, take me out of my misery. Thrive Trading Group. Your payment will be processed via PayTico gateway and might show up as an IFP InstaPay on your statement. Yeah, I think I'm good. Let's see if there's a coupon. Oh, Joom worked. Get $50 off. Alright, market's finally moving now that I'm not interested in it. We are pushing to the downside. I feel like if I chase, I'm just going to get smoked, but we're down 160 now. We missed our take profit by 3 ticks, and then we missed our stop loss by 1 tick. We got a little lucky, and it basically just kind of chopped for a bit. This is a market, not financial advice, but like I am definitely staying away from my funded accounts. Definitely not touching them. Unless you're a gold trader. It looks like gold is starting to move now. It's peaked right up to that resistance level here on the gold. See if we can break through there. Is anyone here going to give Thrive Trading a chance? I know there's going to be one of you in here that's going to be bold enough to do it. But yeah, not at that price. I'm guessing not at that price. Michael Belt, what's going on? Thank you for the sub. I really appreciate the support. So we're closing on 1,500 subs, guys. Pretty awesome. Hold on 1 second. I hear something. All right, I'm back. Oh man, my back's killing me. Michael Belt, best I saw was 35% off at Thrive. Oh yes, yeah. You got rugged by FTT. Yeah, for sure, full tilt. Yep. Sorry to hear that, man. I really upsets me that people got rug pulled like that. Because trading is so hard. And so many people probably were right up to their first payout and then got rug pulled and probably never traded again. And never will trade again, unfortunately. And yeah. So gold came right up to this resistance level here and is pulling back. Let's go back to NQ. Look at that dirty NQ, huh? Dirty. Now it should take out that 275, I'm thinking. What do you guys think? I hate to chase it here, but I bet it takes out, yeah, there it is. So we got a big lot sitting up there at 275. Came back here, gathered a bunch of volume. Came and smacked that 275. Check out the book map here. Oh, but yeah, NASDAQ's just playing games here. Ooh, didn't take it all. I think it just filled like a few contracts here, kind of bumped it and pulled back. That was really interesting. I got rug by FTD and profit trade. Sorry to hear that, Michael. I never traded with profit trade. No. Jeez, man. How do I get the background music? So I pay for a website. It's a copyright free music, and then I just stream it through Streamlabs 18. Kind of looks like this. And I have 2 playlists. I need to work on another one that is in my to-do list. I just added it as a source after I downloaded it. I got a 6K payout, second payout, 21K gone, yeah. The same with me, full tilt. I ended up getting 18K payout from FTT, and they owed me approximately another 18,000 for another payout, and I never got it. NQ is starting to wear me out. I think I'm going to start trading ES Mead. Yeah, no, I mean, by all means, trade. Like, even YM. I know Amelia trades YM. I trade YM a lot, too. YM is a great instrument to trade. But yeah, ES is good, too. Just trying to take out that 200 lot there. Let's take a look here. You can see it sitting up there. 275. Trying to take it out here. Of course, the big move happens when I go take a dump. Yeah. Did that order get filled or pulled? It got filled. Jonathan. Sohail, what's going on? It's if you just type in on YouTube like bookmap, free bookmap, it'll come up. This is live with Alex TWB. He constantly gets his channel blacklisted because of copyright, I think. I'm not really sure about that, but his channel will constantly disappear. So we're just constantly taking out that 275. The book is really flat, except that these orders at 275. So there we go. We just took them out, and as you can see, it's really delayed on this. There you go. We just took them out. So. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alfred keeps getting a trademark claim from Bookmap. Really genius, though. Really genius. Let's put up the Bookmap, though, on the YouTube. Just letting it run. Yes, Bookmap Alex. Yeah, I've been watching him for a while, and he comes on live stream a few. Before I can't speak. He's come on before and done a little bit of trading. I'll say what's up, people. Sohail, just a quick question. If you have a master BLS account, how much do I need to get total to make first? 3,600 on a 50K, Sohail. And you can take out 1,000. So like right here, I'm well over the buffer. I'm gonna take out 1,500, so that's the max payout.
The short did not work out. Very tricky design. Big fake out to the downside. Ended up basically just, in hindsight, of course, technically, like, it came down here, gathered a bunch of liquidity, quotes, and then to come up and take out that 275, that 200 lot. So I guess that's, and you can see it right here on the DOM. You see where I took it out? 222s, 275. But yeah, sorry, man. I'm getting chopped up as well. But the market is just completely like, you still got $7 left. Nice design. You can actually, as long as you're under 40% consistency, Soul Hail. But yeah, I mean, theoretically, yeah, that's what you can do for 10 days. But you can flip for 2 days. As long as you're under the consistency of 40%. And trade for 10 days, make 3,600, and then stay. You can flip for 2 days. So I actually flipped for 2 days on this account. I'll show you the. I'll show you my dashboard. That's what the dashboard looks like for Beelnox. It's not great, but my best day was $826. Joom here. Do I think the ES is a better instrument to trade? It's not for me. It's too slow for me. I'm addicted to the NASDAQ and the YM. But it doesn't really, I mean, it doesn't really matter at Triple M. It doesn't matter the instrument. The trick is to just find an edge, whatever that is. Find your edge and stick with it as best as you can. And, you know, keep your costs as low as possible. And walk away on red days. And walk away on green days. You gotta learn how to walk away. There's tons of people that make a lot of money with ES, and there's people that make a lot of money with NQ, and a lot of money with gold, and a lot of money with the Dow and oil. So. What's my strategy for risk management? The account is my risk. No, I'm just kidding. On particular trades, I really don't keep like a static like $200-300 or $150 stop loss myself. The stop has to go where it makes sense, you know. That's a weird candle for a pullback. I'm gonna try a long here. I do have the bracket set up on this. Oh my god, guys.
Order filled.
Damn it. I'm on the wrong account. I'm on my payout account. Let me lock that. I made money. Damn it. Sorry, that really got me. Hurry up, Beelonox, give me my payout so I don't do that dumb shit again. Alright. I didn't even remember what I was saying. Trading in the Zone's great book. Best Loser Wins, great book. That was bad, Life Fab Style. That got me all shook. Waiting on that payout, and then just like an idiot traded. And I was in a mini too. So anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, Triple M. So the best thing to really do is just stick with one instrument and really get to know it. So if you think the NASDAQ is beating you up, then, you know, go to ES, buy a cheap eval, and just practice to trade that, you know, practice an edge. Amelia switched to, she's trading YM mostly on her personal account. She's trading mostly YM. So, yeah. Alfred trades a lot of gold. I know Zabak trades yen. He trades a lot of yen. So, boy, that got me all messed up. Check out. Hey John, Patrick, what's going on? How do I trade? I'll just post this. It's a little strategy video that those are the strategies I look for every single day, the ones that I trade. If you wanted to check that out. I try to make it super brief, but I trade inside bars and harami candles mostly. Mixed in with some discretion. "60-hour trader pine trees everywhere." Yes, I'm a big fan of trading, and I'm a big fan of you guys. You know, I'm a big fan of talking trading. For real, like, when I started my channel, I was just like, well, maybe I can make some affiliate money, not gonna lie. And I'm also like, well, I'm always in other people's chats. I'm always chatting with other traders. I want to be able to chat with you guys every day. Talk about the markets and stuff. It's fun for me. So, because good trading is very boring. Life style, yeah, exactly. Good trading is very boring. When it becomes not boring, it's probably because I'm over trading, like I did yesterday. When $860 payout I was supposed to get, and I didn't lock it up, and I just kept trading in the afternoon. That's just ridiculous. And why did I do it? Probably because of boredom. Greed and boredom. I really wish I would have got the $860 payout from Take Profit Trader with the daily payout. On a 25K account too. On day 1. Which means I got it up to, I don't know, I can't do math, but over 2,000 something dollars that day. Trading is lonely without streams. My trading buddy quit and went back to work. Yeah, for sure. The greed demon on your shoulder telling you heard that's not enough. Yeah, that's exactly what was going on, Alfred. Yep. 100% that's what was going on. And yeah, I was thinking, like, and you know, I don't really want to get too personal, but like, and it's not a pity party, but yeah, I ended up getting a bunch of medical bills coming in recently, so I was just like thinking about that too, and yeah, it was just, you know, whatever. But today I took the base hit, and once I got, what is it? I got $220 payout tonight. I mean, it's something. Definitely beats 9 to 5, you know. Took me like an hour, like less than, well, probably like 30 minutes of trading this morning, which is great. Well, I really like this long here, but am I on the right account?
Order filled.
So anyways, when I was talking about my static stops and stuff, like for this account right here, I just have a 300 set, but then I can move it. So wherever it makes sense, you know? But like that's, I usually like have a max pain of like 15 points usually, generally. But you really gotta move it to where it makes sense. So if you think like this is the low of the day or something, like you really should have your stop there. You know, it's very difficult on a 5-minute chart to be that much of a sniper to yeah, this trade's not going well. Anyways, for your entries to be that much of a sniper, it's like really difficult. If you trade the 1-minute chart, like some of you guys are really good at trading a 1-minute chart and just have these laser sniper entries, like no drawdown or the smaller time frames. For me, I trade the 5 minutes, so I gotta give myself some room sometimes and be a lot more patient. My entry was based off this inside bar here, and we just did a complete fake out. Now technically this is a trigger short now. I'll show you here. It's a little bit easier to see. Where we swept up above and didn't even go 10 points at all, and then immediately pulled back and took out the opposite side. Usually what you'll see is that when it does that, you'll see momentum on the opposite side and you'll get a big flush down. The market has zero momentum with anything right now, so I'm just gonna place a stop here just below the VWAP and see what happens. 265. I don't know, I felt like I was rambling there for a minute. Long 268, Monica, good luck. Good luck. Good setup to go long pine. Live, laugh, trades. What's happening? You're not going long yet, Joe? Well, you got a lot more patience than me. But we'll see what happens. And despite what a lot of people think, the market is completely random at times. I mean, literally, we could get a Trump tweet or something and the market will shoot up 300 points or drop 400 points, and that's why where the random comes in. So 3 kids will do that for you? Yeah, for sure, bro. I have 0 children. No little pine trees running around. I gotta turn the light on. Oh.
What are your thoughts of the Asia session tonight? The market, the Tokyo Open. Oh. Back's killing me. I don't know what to think about the Tokyo Open, to be honest with you. Wouldn't your kids be considered pine cones? That's good, Alfred. True. My little pine cones. Yes, no little pine cones running around. My brother does have a little pine cone running around. And my dad has some young kids too. They're now 10 and 10 or 12. I would say 10. I think they're like 12 years old now. So, little hellions. Yes, Tokyo is opening in 25 minutes. For now, we are just barcoding. The S is kind of soothing. What a nice little thing. Triple M. Yeah, man. Good luck with the ES. You can make a lot of money with the ES. I don't really know too many ES streamers, of course. I think, Daniel Inskeet trades ES. Yeah, it looks like he's trading NQ now. He used to trade ES. Oh, Bye Money. That guy used to trade ES. I don't know if he's still around either. 300 would be a resistance level, Monica, just for a psych level. But we do have a gap up there too. 297 to 305. Oh, I moved away from the mic. Hopefully you guys can. Kevin, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support, man. Hey, bro, I literally see all your videos about fair value. Guys didn't understand it. I don't know anything about fair value gaps, Soul Hill. Wasn't me. I just know that this is a fair value gap. So basically, it's a gap in the 5-minute chart. Or whatever time frame, actually. It doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes or not, but see how they this never traded in this space again, so they call it a fair value gap. It's an ICT thing. On a 30-minute chart, I used to call them single prints. When it came to market profile, TPO charts and stuff, I call them single prints. So yeah, it's an ICT thing. So if you look up fair value gaps, you're gonna get a million videos that come up. I don't necessarily trade ICT, but a lot of people in the chat do. Yeah, 7. I don't know if he's around either. I don't know what happened to him. The panda guy. I forgot about him until you guys mentioned ES. I used to check out his stuff in the mornings. There wasn't many streamers back then in the mornings. Now it's completely
flooded. Trades by Matt. Oof, nice little pump there. All right, getting a little pump there.
Order filled.
Nice. Woodchip just moved the market. He bought in, I think, what, 1,000 lots. NQ said to see you at 2,100, 3,000. Hold on one sec. Chef Chris, what's going on? I take this call. Alright, I'm back. He was on today's Zabak? Oh, no kidding. Chef Chris, what's happening? Good to see you. Long time no see. I'm sure you're busy cooking. It is getting to be the summer season. I don't pay much attention to fair value gas unless I'm looking at higher time frames. Yeah. Nice 10x. Passed another 1-0. Nice. Yeah, I know. Nice little trade though. Possibly could push up to that 21,300. Yeah, right, Alfred. Yep. Been at camp for over a month now. Wow. Yeah, with all the prep and stuff like that. Are the camps getting in? Well, I guess school hasn't really let out, but I guess they should start picking up, right? Pretty soon. I don't know what kind of camp. I don't know if it's a kids camp or what, but. Joom here. Yeah, right. Oh, cleaning out the cabins, getting ready. Yeah, nice. It's a boys' camp. Sweet. All right, finally the market's moving, so maybe the Tokyo Open we actually get something. So we got back with what we're down there, plus a little bit. I'm not gonna say that trade was any skill because it wasn't. Initially I bought because of the inside bar. Off this inside bar, and then it came up, swept it again, and then pumped. Very nasty price action in my opinion. Gross. So yeah, Nicholas, for sure. Yeah, free longs. Was it any news? I don't think it was. Maybe. Nothing red. Trump farted? Yeah, exactly. It could have been something on that Truth. I guess was it called Truth or I don't know, or X or something. It could have been something like that. But yeah, I mean the market was just sitting here, just consolidating, and then finally pumped. It could have actually been another big order on the book map. I don't really know. Book map looks pretty flat right now again. Pretty flat, but very bullish candle there. And like Nicholas said, overall, I mean, the market is just super strong. So when the president says buy, you buy. Yeah. Truth Social. Okay. Dakota bought a 1200 lot. I think it was wood chip. I think wood chip. He said, see, all I heard was see you at 21,300, and then boom, the market exploded. So paradigm of ambition. I actually opened a position at 459 and tried to close it at 5 on TPT. 10 minutes after resetting my account. You think they'll have leniency? Is it gone already? Paradigm. They do not have any leniency, unfortunately. Sorry to hear that, Paradigm. I hope you're okay. I hope you're okay, Paradigm. You'll know once the dashboard updates for sure. Because the dashboard hasn't updated yet. As far as yeah. So one time that happened to me where I left an order on, and then it was like a little bit later in the night. It was like 10 o'clock at night, and then I ended up getting a alert saying that my account was breached because I left the order on. News in 10 minutes, Japanese PPI, maybe it'll pump again. Perhaps, maybe that was what it was, maybe a leak or something. Put in a little harami candle. You guys do me a favor, smash the like button while you're hanging out. Do me a favor. Really helps out the algos. Yeah, they closed it, Paradigm, but it was oof. Yeah, it was a funded account too. Let me know let me know if you tomorrow if they actually close it. I'll be curious, Paradigm. Did you close it, or did it close like it's like or did it auto liquidate you? I'm just curious. The drop in tariffs in the US make me believe we are going to be very bullish for a bit. Yeah, for sure, Nicholas. I think you're right. Very strong. Maybe all-time highs. Back to all-time highs. Ooh. All this fun stuff on here. Take a look at monthly. Very strong on the monthly. Very strong. Going to church now is a full-time workout. Stand up, wave hands, run around, sit down, dance, sing, shout. I'm exhausted now. Zabak. It sounds like a fun church, at least. It's like going to Planet Fitness at the same time, right? Tiger's order fills. Market's way up. I've thought about it, Nicholas. Yeah, I thought about it. I think I will in the future for sure. It's hard. I traded live with Methodical Man. I don't know if you saw that. Methodical Man. I did a live stream. You're playing fitness right now, Alfred. Nice. The position held all the way till 6 p.m. then filled, and I can't make trades on it. Yeah, they don't have any leniency, I don't believe. I mean, I guess if they close it, it's worth a shot hitting up support. Maybe coming up with an excuse or something. But all right, we're pushing higher now. 21,300 in its sights. We check out the. Oh man, have you guys ever? Oops, not that. You guys checked out these? Theo Vaughn. Any of you guys are Theo Vaughn fans? Podcasts. These things are so funny. These little shorts. I don't know, they get me cracking up. Yeah, so I did one Nicholas with Methodical Man a couple months ago. It's so hard, like trading with other people. It really is. Can't believe Planet Fitness doesn't have squat racks. No, just the what do they call it? Smith machines or whatever. We don't really have any options around here for gyms. I mean, we got a few, but Planet Fitness is pretty much it up in my neck of the woods. Mohammed, how's it going? Those 12-hour streams, I know. Exhausting. Okay, Nicholas, I'll keep you in mind for sure, man. Absolutely. I prefer a crunch. Yeah, we don't have any crunches. Planet Fitness is the McDonald's of gyms. Sensei, what's going on? How's it going? It's bad right now, John. Yeah, bad. Jay Stores in the house. What's going on? Long time no see, man. Good to see you. Yeah, I like Bielanox, Sensei. I requested a payout with him. We'll see how it goes. I requested a payout with him today. My very first Bielanox payout, so for sure. You haven't missed much, Mohammed. I think we've taken, what, 2 trades? 3 trades. 2 trades. 1 winner and 1 loser. YOLO long, let's go for the stream. Hoping we tap the 21,300 for the stream. I do like to tap the 300s there, but I feel like I'm chasing bad. So we just could just pop this, chop this little range here, but it actually kind of looks like a little bull flag breakout.
Order filled.
We'll try it. Feels very, very chasey right now, but we'll see. Stop just below this little swing here. Got about 5 minutes before the Tokyo Open. Sensei, yeah, for sure. Bielanox X, Project X here, same thing as the Top Step X. So if you guys would like to try Bielanox and you want to use my code PINE, I appreciate the support of my little channel. 91% off. So this eval right here cost me $15 and change, and I passed 3 of them today, and I'm waiting on this one. I'm waiting on a payout on this one for $1,500. So appreciate the support. Also got a daily payout coming for Take Profit Trader. Not a lot, but $220 for daily payout. Beats a day job, 30 minutes worth of work. There's a little pop. And you can use code PINE on that, all caps, for Take Profit Trader. $119. All in on a 50K. And if you guys do use Bielanox, I don't recommend anything over 50K because the activation fee is too high in my opinion. So 25Ks and 50Ks is a sweet spot for me with Bielanox. There's a 300 there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna tap that 300 there. $220 is better than 0, Alfred, for sure. Oh, cool, man. Yeah, just code PINE. 50Ks, option 1s. It'll work. 91% off. Yep, $15 and something cents. I'll tell you exactly what it is. I don't know if, well, taxes might be different some other places, but yeah, 50K is $15.75. Well, they just changed it, but If I put in someone else's code here, type in Terry's code. $15.75. So if you use code PINE, it's $15.75 for 50K. Nice little scalp there. Got out, I think, just in time. Thank you, Seven. Appreciate it. Yeah, it should be working. Seven just used it. Just Pine. Option 1, 50K should work. Sensei. It's not working. That's weird. Jesus, should be working. Oh, it did work. Okay, great. Guys had me in a panic. I'm like, well, I had some of you guys use it today, so. But yeah, for the 50Ks, 50Ks, I should have mentioned that. 50Ks, option 1. Randy, yes, this is Belanox Project X. So you can use this. They don't have Tradeovate, so you can use this or you can use Rhythmic. All right, getting a push down here. Tokyo's open now. Just, yeah, all you gotta do, just kind of click off it and back on it, Sensei. So, like, I'll show you. Just do this. It's kind of finicky, so you do the count sign up. Click on the option 1 here, type in the code. I'll just type in Terry's there, and then just kind of click to the side, and then it'll give the check mark. So if you just type in Pine here, you'll get the little check mark. And yeah, make sure that you see that $15.75, because I'd done that before where I was signing up and accidentally paid full price. So what happened was I mentioned it to Belanox and they gave me a credit on my account. So I accidentally paid like $175 for an account. Well, they gave me the credit minus the discount. And yeah, support was like super nice about it. And I had to activate a master account anyway, so it actually worked out. So essentially, you know, I had like $150 credit on my account to use for evals or to activate or whatever. So Volatility for the win on that one. I have a feeling if I did that with some other prop firms, oh, I forgot to put in the discount code, they'd be like, you're shit out of luck. Sorry. Oh, cool, Sensei. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support too, man. And oh, nice, Ricky. Yeah, take profit trader is great too. Great props. Is there a way I can sell one contract at a time using Project X instead of setting sell limits? Like, I think if you right, well, you can right click like this. I'm not sure if that's what you mean, walk to you, or you can do that on the DOM. I use the DOM, so you can do, you know, buy stop market buys too. If you right click on where you want. I'm not sure if that's what you're talking about, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it right there. I usually end at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go eat dinner at the old man's house, and appreciate it. You guys using my code PINE on Volatility, 91% off. Apex, use code PINE. Take Profit Trader, all caps, PINE. In My Funded Futures, PINE. And Tradeify, if you want to use Tradeify, you got to use my link and then use the default code SPRING. They won't give me a custom code yet because I'm a baby channel. I'm not cool enough, so. But yeah, smash the like button on your way out. I will see you guys at some point tomorrow. Nice little stream. Sorry the market was just kind of dead. But we'll do it again tomorrow. Stay safe tonight. And I'll catch you guys later. Have a good night, guys. Good stream, man. Oh, sorry. Do you have to download Rhythmic? Yeah, you have to download. Well, Rhythmic is if you want to use Quantower or whatever. Sorry, I think I missed a question though. Project X and Rhythmic are completely separate, John. That's the one I wanted to answer. So, all right, guys. Peace out, man. See you at J Stores. Thanks for stopping in, man.